I was in the process of replacing the suspension unit on my BMW. I noticed that my bike's fitted with this aftermarket hugger, which looks to be one of the sort of cheap Chinese ones rather than a branded version, but it's actually broken. I didn't notice till just now, but this leg at the bottom, which goes onto the power lever pickup down here, has just clean snapped off. So looks like it comes with its own stainless steel bolts with a hex set screw to replace the original BMW Torx screw. But yeah, this piece here is just snapped off. So I'm not sure why that is. I don't think it's been hit, not at the time I've had it, and it wasn't broken last time I looked, but evidently it is now. So I must admit, I don't really see the point of these. It just adds unsprung weight and doesn't really give much benefit in terms of the spray. I think I do have one of the a sort of mudslinger type guards, which extends the rear OEM mudguard down and covers the area back here behind, or rather in front of the, no sorry, behind the spring damper unit. So it keeps crud off the spring, which is helpful and relatively unobtrusive. But I think I'm just going to take this hugger off and just not put one back on, because it looks cleaner without it, and I don't think it has much value. Anyway, just as an observation, looks like these cheaper Chinese huggers perhaps aren't as robust as they should be. Although it feels quite good. The actual casting feels pretty strong. It's quite heavy for one thing. I'd say all the fittings are stainless steel, so yeah, I mean, it's quite nicely made by looks of it, but there again, mine's broken, so I'm just going to take it off and forget it. Okay, thanks for watching.